Hello, my name is Luis Rafael Bustos Espinosa. I'm 14 years old and I live in Facatativá, Colombia. I'm divorced. I have 4 children, two girls and 2 boys. And the moving and living with the youngest children and study economics. One of my hopes is going to my parents for. In the labor aspect, I can the uldari to have 2 jobs. One is this municipality, and the other dash allow me to travel to various municipalities. I am technologist in the market is the management at Sena. I manage several businesses. I am auditor in the road safety, technical in transport of road safety. I have 2 service of vehicle driving simulators. I have work experience in the project formulation and management education in the Pines, for traffic, for road safety, and contracting the construction of the law in the common housing. I consider myself responsible restringer of the organized persons who manifest human sensitivity towards others. My weddings, I children, if life, my children, I think myself and purity of life of years living. With your family in the early country. My interest is leaving my company to be an employee is that is considered data access at the expensive and I want to continue making money just to pay it. I want to work with because I love hearing to be projects with large company like yours or because of willing likes to solve my company projects. My latest expedition in the Atlas, the minimum monthly salaries going for work.